Today, let's learn how to message someone on Threads app. If you want to send a message to someone using the Threads application, follow these steps. First, open the Threads app on your device. To message someone, you will need to select the person you want to contact. However, keep in mind that not everyone may have messaging enabled. For example, if you choose a user and find that they cannot send or receive messages, you will need to try someone else. You can also select a person from your list of followers provided you have same. Once you find a profile, tap on it and you will see an option to visit their Instagram profile at the top. From there, you can send them a direct message using the Instagram app. Currently, the Threads application is primarily designed for posting threads and does not support direct messaging within the app. If you want to communicate with someone, you will need to do through Instagram. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.